You open your closet and there it is. That shirt you actually love the fit of, the color of, the feel of, except for one thing, that giant print slapped across the front that you can't stand anymore. Maybe it's cracked and peeling. Maybe it's from an event you'd rather forget. Or maybe your taste has just changed. Either way, you've probably thought about tossing the shirt completely. Don't do that. Not yet, anyway. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove screen printing from pretty much any shirt, using a couple of simple methods you can try right at home. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps, just a bit of patience and the right technique. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's something worth knowing. Screen printing ink sits on top of the fabric rather than soaking deep into it. That's actually good news for us because it means the ink can usually be softened, loosened, and lifted off without ruining the shirt underneath. You just need the right approach depending on the type of print you're dealing with. Let's start with method number 1, using acetone. Acetone is great at breaking down screen printing ink. It softens the print quickly, which makes it much easier to peel away from the fabric. This method works especially well on prints that are still fairly solid and haven't started cracking yet. Here's how to do it. Grab a cotton swab, dip it into the acetone, and gently rub it across the surface of the print. Take your time and make sure you're covering the whole design evenly, not just one corner of it. Once you've applied the acetone, gently stretch the fabric around the printed area. This helps loosen the ink from the fibers underneath it. After stretching, use your fingers to start scratching or peeling away the softened print. It should start lifting off in small pieces or strips. If there's still some ink stubbornly clinging on, grab a cotton ball, soak it generously in acetone, and rub it firmly over the remaining print in different directions. Don't be afraid to repeat this a few times. Some prints come off in one pass, others take a little more effort. One quick tip here, always test the acetone on a hidden part of the shirt first, like the inside seam, just to make sure the fabric reacts well before you commit to the whole design. Now, let's move on to method number 2, using heat with an iron. This method works by softening the ink using heat, which makes it much easier to scrape or peel off. It's particularly effective on older prints or ones that have already started cracking, since the heat helps loosen whatever grip the ink still has on the fabric. Set your iron to a high heat setting. You have two options here. You can either place the iron underneath the shirt, directly beneath the printed area, and then use a scraper on top to gently lift the print off. Or you can run the hot iron directly over the print itself, moving it slowly and evenly to avoid scorching the fabric. As the heat spreads through the ink, you'll notice it start to loosen and soften. Once that happens, carefully peel away the print using your fingers. Don't rush this part. It's completely normal to need a few rounds of reheating and peeling before the print comes off fully. This method tends to work really well on prints that are already showing signs of wear, since the ink is often looser to begin with. Now, if you want an extra option, there's also something called a screen printing emulsion remover. This is originally designed for reclaiming screens in the printing process, but many people also use it to lift prints off fabric without damaging the shirt. It's an eco-friendly option, and it tends to be pretty budget-friendly too, which makes it worth trying if you're not a fan of using acetone or heat. So, quick recap before you go try this out. If your print is fairly intact, start with the acetone method. If it's already cracked, peeling, or older, the iron method will probably work faster. And if you want something a bit gentler and eco-conscious, an emulsion remover is worth having on hand. Whichever method you choose, take your time. Screen printing removal usually isn't a one-shot process. It's normal to need a few rounds of softening and peeling before the fabric looks completely clean. And that's it. With just a little effort, you can turn that shirt you were ready to toss into something you'll actually want to wear again. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more simple tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.